Article marketing is still working, but if you publish that article on your blog or website, you probably won't rank that high on search engines, and you will need to have a big social following in order to get traffic. So alternatively, what you can do is you can publish that article on some high authority website, and that is exactly what we are going to do. Publish that article on a high authority website in order to rank high on search results and to get free traffic from search engines. Now, the website we are going to use today is getting more than 150 million monthly visits, and most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, which means this website has a good potential. But this is really important. You can't just go and promote your affiliate product. You need to provide a value. You need to show people how to do something, how to build something, how to make something, and then you will promote product that you used to make something, to build something. You will recommend that product, that affiliate product. In that way, you will provide value, but also you will make money. That is how you need to do that, okay? So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Let's say, for example, that I'm in woodworking niche. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to find ideas for that article. So what you can do is, you can simply come here on ChatGPT and you can give it this prompt. For example, you can say something like this: give me article ideas for a simple and easy woodworking project for beginners. And then simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me ideas for this article. Okay, here you can see basic beginner projects, home decor, wood projects, practical everyday wood items, and so on and so on. And now I need to choose one of these 25 ideas. So let me just choose one of these. So let's say, for example, I wish to write an article about this topic here. Here you can see easy wood birdhouse step by step. So now I need to give it a new prompt. I can say something like this: give me a catchy but SEO title for this article, okay? And then here, write a step-by-step guide. Keep in mind that this is a beginner project on how to make a classic easy wooden birdhouse step by step using only simple tools. Now this is really important. And also make ultra realistic opening image and ultra realistic picture for each step. In the introductions, state which wood is the best to use for this project. For each step, state which tool is used. Now this is really important because in this case, if you are just starting some project, you need to first get all the necessary tools, because you will need those tools to use them later, okay? It is easier if you get all those tools in one place ready to use, okay? And that is why you need to state each tool right in the beginning, okay? Finally, make a blueprint image for this project, list tools used, and also this is really important. Here you can see add an affiliate disclaimer in the end. That is really, really important because by the law, you need to add affiliate disclaimer. So if you don't add your affiliate disclaimer, your article will be declined. That is really, really important. That is why you need to add affiliate disclosure, okay? So now all I have to do is just click here on enter, and now ChatGPT will write this article for me, and also it will create these images for me. Also, what you can do, you can use Google Gemini to create these images. Sometimes, not just sometimes, Google Nano Banana usually gives me better results. So let's see what Google Gemini will actually give me. So I will simply come here on Google Gemini, paste my prompt here, and then simply press enter. Let's just see what Google Gemini will give me. Here you can see ultimate guide, build an easy DIY wooden birdhouse step by step. And here we can see this is the article. And let's just see it, and let's just give it time to finish, okay? And I will see that ChatGPT finished. Here you can see ChatGPT did finish the article, but they didn't create the images. So let's just see what Google Gemini will do. So let's just go back here. And here you can see Google Gemini is actually creating these images, unlike ChatGPT. So in this case, it is better to use Google Gemini. Okay, let's just see that Google Gemini finish. And let me just check this. Okay, here you can see Google Gemini actually created image for each step. And here we can see blueprint for this birdhouse. This is exact blueprint, and based on this, this really is a simple and easy project that any beginner can actually make. So let me just go back here. So what I need to do, and here you can see, this is an affiliate disclaimer. That is really, really important, like I mentioned. And here you can see, for example, let me just scroll here. Here you can see measuring and making the lumber, okay? And here you can see tool used, measuring tape and pencil. They state each tool for each step that you need to use. That is beginner friendly. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this title here. I will use Google Gemini article, and then we are going to use a website called Substack. Now it is free to register. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create, and then click here on article, because we wish to create an article, okay? And then here I need to add my title. This is the title. And then here I will actually go back here and I will say, for example, that this will be my subtitle, okay? Go back here on Substack and I will add my subtitle. Now here I need to write my article, so I will simply go back here and I will copy this, okay? Control C, and I will go back here on Substack and I'm going to paste that here. So now what I need to do, I need to copy this first step, okay? And I need to paste that here, okay? Just go here. And then here I need to add an image that Google Gemini created. So I will simply click on this image and then I will actually download this image. Just click here to download this image to my computer. So now I need to go back here on Substack, and then I will click here to add an image, insert image, and then click here, image, and this is the image. Click open, and here you can see this is exactly how you need to measure this plank in order to make this bird house. Here you can see how this looks, really, really good. Simply go back here on Google Gemini and then simply copy second step, okay? Go back here on Substack and paste that here. And same thing, I need to click on this image and I simply need to download this image. Here you can see, like I said, they actually showing you how you need to cut this, how you need to sew this plank, okay? And go back here and same thing, click on this image, click on image again, and this is the image. Click on open, and here you can see how this looks, and simply do that for all the steps, okay? And here you can see tools used in this project. Now here I listed all the tools that you need to use for this project, and here you can see affiliate disclaimer. Now that is really, really important, but I wish to open this article with an eye-catchy image. So here I will simply do this, and here I will upload that image, because opening image is really, really good, because it will catch the people's attention right at the beginning. And here you can see this is my opening image. But you're probably wondering right now, well, how do we actually make money? How do we promote products? Well, like I said, here we actually added a list of tools that we used. Now people will have some of those tools, but some of those tools they won't have at home, so they need to buy it. So what I can do, I can simply, for example, copy measuring tape, and I can go, for example, on Amazon and I can search measuring tape, and here I can see measuring tape, 9.2 thousand reviews, 4.6 stars. For example, click on this product, click here on to get the link, copy that link, go back here on Substack, and like I said, you need to highlight that and simply click here on this link, paste your Amazon affiliate link, click here on link, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. So now when someone click on this measuring tape, they will be redirected to this Amazon product, and if they buy it, I will earn an affiliate commission. And you can do exactly the same thing for all of these tools. For example, carpenter's pencil. Copy this, go back here on Amazon and search that here on Amazon. And here you can see how this looks. For example, let's say this one here. Here you can see 1,300 reviews, 4.6 stars on average. So that is a good product. Again, click here, get your Amazon affiliate link, go back here, click on this little chain, paste your affiliate link, click on link, and that's it. You added your affiliate link. And like I said, this is really important. You need to add your affiliate disclaimer. Now, to earn even more money, because we all know that Amazon has a really low affiliate commission, okay, affiliate rates. So what you can do is you can simply go here, for example, on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and then here you can search woodworking. Okay, just give it a few seconds, and then here you can find woodworking guides, woodworking projects. Here you can see promote dark reset now. Now that is not what we are looking for. So I will click here. Let's just say, for example, I will click on English language. And here you can see beginner's guide on woodworking with hand tools. Now that is exactly what we need. Here you can see $98 we can earn per sale. Let's just see other products. Easy DIY power plan. Woodworking 101. Now this is also a really good product. So what I can do, I can simply click here. I can earn $42 per sale. Click here on promo link. And I copied my Digistore24 affiliate link. I can simply go back here on Substack and I can add an additional article, additional text. For example, I can say something like this. For example, let's just say something like this. I found inspiration for this project in this guide, Woodworking 101. Here you can see name of this product is Woodworking 101. And in this guide, you can find a lots of interesting projects for beginners. So I need to copy my promo link, my Digistore24 affiliate link. And then here I will simply highlight this. Again, click here on this little chain, paste my Digistore24 affiliate link. And that's it, I added my affiliate link. Let's just click here on preview to see how this article looks. And here you can see how this article looks. Ultimate guide, build an easy DIY wooden birdhouse step by step. And here you can see how this looks. This is my opening image. This is the rest of the article. And here you can see how this looks. Really, really good, really good article. And when I scroll here you can see these are links. You can click on these links and click here. Again, you can click on this link. This is affiliate disclaimer. So this is how it looks. Let's just see on desktop how this looks. On desktop looks even better. This is how it looks on desktop. Really, really good. All I have to do is just click here on done. Click here on continue. Here, audience, everyone. Allow comments, everyone. I usually leave it like this. You need to add some tags. So let's say, for example, DIY, for example, DIY. And here I will add some, let's say, for example, woodworking. Okay, woodworking. And that's it for now. You will, of course, add more tags. This is how it looks. And after scheduling, now I don't want to schedule this. Deliver, send via email to Substack app. Now, I usually don't do that. So all you have to do is just click here, send it to everyone now, and that's it. You will publish your article now. But I would suggest you to start building as soon as you publish your article on Substack. Start building some backlinks, start sending some traffic, some initial traffic, because in that way Google spiders will notice that article even faster, and if you have some backlinks and you have some audience, then Google will actually rank your article high on search engine, and you will start getting traffic from Google, and that will be actually passive income because you published this article once, and that article will continue getting free traffic from search engines, and you will potentially continue making sales for a long time. And now, as you can see, guys, this method is really easy. Google Gemini or ChatGPT will do everything that you need. You just need to invest some time and some work in order to make these articles and in order to start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see, guys, this really is an easy way to make money with articles affiliate marketing in 2026. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.